voice, harden not your hearts. Oh, that today you would listen to His voice, harden not your hearts. Come, ring out your joy to the Lord. Hail the rock who saves us. Let us come before Him giving thanks. With songs let us hail the Lord. Oh, that today you would listen to His voice, harden not your hearts. Come in, let us bow and bend low. Let us kneel before the God who made us. For He is our God and we, the people who belong to His pasture, the flock that is led by His hand. Oh, that today you would listen to His voice, harden not your heart. Oh, that today you would listen to His voice, harden not your hearts as at Meribah, as one that day at Massa in the desert, when your fathers put me to the test, when they tried me, though they saw my work. Oh, that today you would listen to His voice, harden not your hearts. Alleluia, 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 Alleluia. Watch at all times, praying that you may, Alleluia, have strength to stand before the Son of Man. Alleluia, 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 Alleluia.